Bangkok is a haven for street food enthusiasts, offering an array of flavors and aromas that captivate the senses. As the sun sets, the streets transform into a bustling market of sizzling sounds and enticing smells. Local chefs skillfully prepare dishes like pad thai, som tam, and tom yum goong right before your eyes, showcasing fresh ingredients and traditional techniques. Famous spots such as Khao San Road and Chinatown are lined with vibrant stalls, each promising a unique taste of Thai culinary culture. Visitors can savor not just the food, but experience the communal spirit and warmth of Thai hospitality, all within the bustling city's heart.